being here with you.
Thank you. So now, Auntie Crystal, could you please explain each ingredient for us?
I sure can. We have jelly. You can use any kind of jelly that's your favorite.
Excuse me?
Yes?
What's your favorite?
I don't really like jelly, but I like I do like the ones that are like have jalapeno.
What? There's jelly that has jalapeno?
Yeah, I like this cranberry one that's like cranberry habanero, so it's really good.
But isn't that like hot and spicy?
It's good and savory.
Good and savory is not the same thing as hot and spicy though.
It's not spicy to me, no. We have honey.
Oh, I like honey.
Me too. We have peanut butter.
My favorite.
I love peanut butter, but I like the ones that are crunchy, so it has the little pieces in
Me
it.
too.
Do you really?
I do. That's my favorite.
Oh, good. Well, right here we have the smooth one, so no crunchy.
No crunchy.
No crunchy. And we have graham crackers crushed up. We have raspberries.
Oh, I like raspberries.
Me too. And then we have blueberries.
Oh, I like blueberries too.
Yeah, me too.
Did you know that blueberries are good for your skin?
I didn't.
Yeah. They have something called antioxidants.
Oh, okay.
That's a big word.
That's a good word.
Yeah.
And we have 2 pieces of bread. You can have any kind of bread that you want. So you can have wheat bread, you can have white bread. It just depends on whatever you like.
Well, thank you for explaining all that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, so now what do we do first?
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Great idea. Me too.
Okay.
Be right back, boys and girls. We always have to wash our hands. Auntie Crystal, could you please put my apron on for me?
Yes, ma'am, I sure can.
Thank you. You're so good to me. I like my apron.
I love it too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm ready to cook now.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
So first, we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna take a small plate and we're going to cut out a circle out of the bread.
You called it a plate. Did you mean a bowl?
Yeah, a bowl, my bad.
A bowl.
Okay, a bowl. And so we'll just peel the bread off around the bowl to make our taco. And then your
Wow.
taco.
It looks like a pancake.
It sure does, but it's supposed to be a taco. Okay.
A round taco.
Yeah.
Oh, like a taco shell?
Yeah, like a taco shell.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
So much. Let's do the second one.
Are you going to eat one too?
I am.
Yum. Does it have to have jalapeno jelly on it?
Well, I don't think you have any, Amy.
I hope not.
You're funny. Okay, there's our second one.
That one has a little bit of crust left over.
I'll take it off for you.
I'm okay eating crust. I know a lot of boys and girls don't like to eat crust, but I'm good with eating crust.
Well, then that one's yours.
Okay.
I'm gonna go throw this away so we can have a clean space to work with.
Great idea.
All right.
Boys and girls, always try to remember to keep your space clean. You have to wash off any surface that you're working on, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the peanut butter
Yum.
and we're gonna spread it on there.
May I help?
Absolutely, here you go. Great job, Amy.
Thank you. It's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, we don't want to break the taco shell.
It's really thick.
It is.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
I love the smell of peanut butter.
Me
Do
too.
you eat peanuts?
I don't like peanuts, but I like peanut butter. That's weird, right?
No, I like peanuts and I like peanut butter. All right, thank you.
Sure. All right. There we go. There's one. Let's get this other one going. Maybe we can make one for your mom.
Oh, that would be a nice surprise for her.
Yeah.
My mommy grew up with peanut butter and jelly. She said she ate a lot of them.
Really? I didn't grow up eating very many of them, but I don't mind them. Well, I ate a lot of tortilla and butter and cinnamon, yeah.
You had tortillas and butter and... Oh, you know what? That's what Mommy makes for me a lot right now.
Oh, yeah?
She does. She has the small little tortillas and she puts butter and cinnamon all over it and then she crisps it up in the frying pan.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Mine too.
Mm-hmm.
Auntie Crystal, I think we're twins.
I think so too, yeah. Next we put the jelly. Does that look good?
Yes, it does. What kind of jelly do you like, boys and girls? That one is a strawberry jelly, and it looks really yummy.
It does look yummy. All right, so now...
Nicely done.
Thank you so much. Okay, so now we're gonna get some berries.
Now what are you doing?
I'm getting the berries and I'm putting it on our taco.
Oh, the blueberries first?
Yeah, you can do either or.
Yum, 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 yum.
We'll just spread them out like a pizza.
Nice. I was actually thinking it looks like a pizza.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Then we'll...
What is that?
Raspberries.
Raspberries? That's not the same as a strawberry or a blueberry, right?
It's not, no.
No. Different kinds of berries.
I love all berries.
Yes, me too. Berries are so full of rich vitamins and antioxidants.
Antioxidants. Check that out.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, you want to smell that?
Oh,
It smells so good.
smells very heavenly.
Next, we're going to get the graham cracker crumbles and we're going to sprinkle it on top. Wow.
That looks
It
amazing.
looks so good.
Wow.
Check that out.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And then last but not least, we're going to drizzle some honey. Honey. Let's try this.
Oh, that looks so beautiful.
So beautiful. All right, that worked out perfectly. Check that out.
Wow, it's pretty. I bet you could even sprinkle some nuts on top.
I bet you could too, yeah.
Wow.
Let's see if this works. Look at that.
What a pretty taco you made.
Thanks, we made it together.
That's so pretty.
I
I
think-
can't wait to eat it.
I know, right?
We have one made.
Let's go ahead and finish off the second one. This one's for your mom.
You're a good cook, Auntie.
Thanks.
I'm learning a lot from you.
I hope so. All right.
Auntie, did Jesus eat?
He did.
What are the things that he ate?
He ate bread and hummus and olives.
Olives?
And figs.
And figs too?
I love all those things.
I don't know if I've had all those things. Maybe I have, but I would have to ask Mommy. More honey.
More honey.
That is so pretty. Very nice.
Thank you. Check that one out.
Wow. Taco time.
Taco time.
Yay.
All right.
Boys and girls, wouldn't you like to have yummy sandwiches like this? And they're good for you too. Yum. Thank you, Auntie.
You are so welcome.
I'll clean up since you work so hard cooking.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah, you go relax. A special thank you to Auntie Crystal for helping me. And a very special happy birthday to Allison. She's one of our actresses on our show. So we just want to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allison. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Allison. Boys and girls, did you know
boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Fraser, and I'm the producer of Fetch the Goodness. I'm also...
the voice of Amy.
That's right. I wanted to see that Amy is actually a puppet. This is my kitchen, and in my house is where you see a lot of Amy and all the productions that we do. So I wanted you to know that we are here because we love you, we care about you, but more than us, God the Father loves you. He wants you to know that His goodness is all around you. And that's why Amy is here too, to remind you of that every single week. So always remember,